the freebie. I'm sorry if y'all caught all that wind, bruh. That's my dog. He be driving that motherfucker though. He be driving the fuck out that bitch. I don't even know where that boy going. I just seen that bitch so bright. Seen that bright motherfucker coming. And I was like, who that is, man? That boy good?
Yes, sir. I'm telling my guy, that's my boy. I seen the basket. Pop dog, let's go.
Yes, sir. This bitch be sliding, nigga. Hey, you came up on me fast as fuck.
Yeah, I see you where I got. I see you. What you call that? Yeah, I'm out of there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You just came from Orlando?
Yeah.
Okay, damn.
11-9.
For real?
I swear.
Ooh, this bitch be moving. Hey, nobody say nothing about Orlando today.
Nah, it was that was 11-9 I ran right there.
Ew.
Everything else was 12-0. This is 12-1. And this one was 12-0.
So that first one you called a good light.
Yeah.
You called a good light.
No, the first one was 12-0. That was my index. I ran 12-0.
Okay.
The last one I called, it wasn't much a good light. It just the weather dropped. The car was just going.
Okay.
I was trying to stay.
I seen you one run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I beat the C. That's the one I beat the CTV in. Where is it? This one. I beat him in that one. I knocked him out. He red light.
Oh.
He was gone. He was gone.
Yes, sir. This bit is running. That boy's still on the tire. Hey, you helped me though. Yeah. Shit, cause I finna just get on the highway and cut up a little bit. Let me get a little video real quick. Then I seen that bit coming. All right, let me get the camera in my hand.
Yeah.
Cause if I put it on the dash, it don't look that good. Let me hold it a bit. I don't know if they seen everything. I had to watch the road.
I said, that's Pablo. Hold on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Damn. So who all went down there?
It was me, Sean, and Fuego, the Corvette. Bobby was there and Will was there, but they were just watching us.
Okay.
They was supporting.
Cause I just seen Carson posted and they got
I think testing tune.
Huh?
I think doing test tune.
Test tune, yeah. Okay.
They doing test tune in Gainesville too next weekend. So I think we was trying to. We all gonna try to go there so learn the light in the tree or whatever. So.
Okay. Shout it out one time, man.
Yeah, Sprite LT1, man. Y'all know what it is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, man. I ain't gonna hold that boy. I'm hungry as fuck. I'm going to get some food.
We going to where we going at? Texas Roadhouse.
Okay.
Yeah,
y'all enjoy it, man.
Let's go, man.
How you doing, man? Y'all see Big Daytona out here, man. Yes, sir, Ski. She is running like always. But like I said, I wasn't even supposed to be vlogging today, bro. I just on the way to get some grub. And that boy hopped on the highway. Gave us a quick little run, so that's pressure. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of pressure. Listen, I'm looking like a bum. Straight bum. By order me a burger. Then I'm gonna go inside the Walmart to get something to cook. So, walked out the door, landed on the vlog. Hope y'all enjoying it. I'll do some more pulls on the way back to the crib. But right now, let's get this food, fill up our belly, and be good, man. Y'all stay tuned. Don't change the channel. Don't change the channel. I say fuck it, mate. Watch this, mate. Gonna take you guys on an adventure. Alright, so this is still the same video. I done went and ate, I done did everything. Now I'm at the Best Buy. Gonna show you niggas how this done. You niggas better appreciate this too. And I ain't going crazy because I ain't got no tires. So we gonna go where it's at. If they got that, there it go. Y'all see that? Okay. Let's get to it. Yes, sir. You're recording. Okay. Alright, gang, we're finna finish out the video, man. I hope you made it this far and you are enjoying what we got going on. I am not finna get in trouble for you jokers, but car already started up in sport mode, traction already off. Y'all already know how that go. Seatbelt on. This pavement is shit. I ain't fucking with it. It is shit. Y'all been asking for this vision. Here it is, man. I know y'all ready. Cause I be having to hold that bitch, so it be a little shaky. I might drop the camera now and then. Nah, y'all boys up top, nigga. Noggin rocker. Yes, sir, ski. I would've slid that, but I ain't got that much control yet. Look at this nigga. Get that boy out my way. Tunnel breakdown. Wait, hold on. We got hit one. Put it up. I was in Mexico in kilometers, so don't think I was like really speeding like that. I was in Mexico in kilometers. I got some stuff. 100K miles, it'll be running a different kind of way. You know, 100K miles, that's a lot of miles for a car. That's enough about it though. Slapping against the fender because it's already worn. I ain't gonna do it, y'all. I'm gonna cut the video, man. And I ain't finna speed with that tire. That tire might pop. My bad, y'all. I thought I was ready. But I'm saying, y'all probably enjoyed the video this far, you know what I'm saying? You seen what I get down like, you know what I'm saying? Turn that heat off. Shit. It's hot. But yeah, good quick little POV in my SCATPACK, or no, If I had some more tire tread, I'd have cut up for y'all boys, man. But we'll get them tomorrow. I'll come back with another one. I just stay tuned, man. We got some modifications coming. I'm gonna go ahead and do it. And I do got mine, so I'm gonna hold on. Other than that, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can get all these drops when these drops come. It's your boy Pablo, man. We run this thing on up all 2023. I appreciate y'all, gang. We out of here.